Up for sale, I have a 1967 GTO. I'm going to tell you about it, walk around it, point out any flaws that I do see. We'll fire it up, drive it. If you enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Like I said, 1967 Pontiac GTO, real GTO. It's a 242 VIN, showing it's a real GTO with a freshly built 426 motor. I believe it's a date code 67 motor. 376 horsepower. It's date code correct. I will have that in the ad as well. Factory 4-speed car, bucket seats, console, factory powered front disc brakes, Posi rear, power steering, factory AM/FM 8-track, factory rally gauges, and factory power antenna. Pretty cool, nice car. Factory rally wheels with red lines. So, I'm gonna be honest. It's supposed to be the original color. That's what I was told. Now, when I look at the trim tag, the paint color is P-2. It's silver. P is silver, but you see the firewall looks like it's an original color. I don't know. I looked online. 2 was like a special order. I have no idea. I don't know what color it was. Beautiful color nonetheless. Here's the freshly built 426. You can see how clean it is. I kind of like that they complemented the top with a matching air cleaner. Brand new headers on it too. 426, 376 horsepower. Real nice motor to put in the car. Now it's not the original 400 or an original type of 400, but a great choice to put in it. You see the power brake booster right there. That does have front disc and the power steering pumps. Real nice under hood. And the compartment in general is real nice and clean. And although they didn't put this motor in it, I'm a big fan that it's on the factory correct side. I have an original air cleaner for the car too. That's in the trunk. Kind of cool to see. There are a few miscellaneous stone chips right on the front of this. And I would say the chrome bumper is very nice to on the verge of being excellent, as well as the trim. Like this kind of stuff on the car, that's real nice. And there looks to be 2 little chips right there. Super straight body. A little touch up, and then like a couple little miscellaneous chips, and then a little mark right there. The trim, the lower door molding trim, that's perfect. That's really, really nice. I shouldn't say perfect. You're going to get me on that. Excellent. How about that? Super nice. There's no pitting on that. That looks like it was definitely replaced at some time recently. Looks like they would put the door on at some point. It was rubbing, so there's a bigger touch-up right there. All the glass is excellent. There's no cracks in the dash pad. Even down here when they painted it, they did a real nice job finishing this compartment here, or this little section of the car. And I know I didn't talk about it, but the top of the hood's real nice. There might be a couple of chips on it, I have to assume. Beautiful car. This is a keeper. This is something that I should keep as a 25-year-old, but can't afford it. Super nice door jamb. And again, all the interior is in very, very nice condition. Super nice door jamb, and you see the trim, the VIN tag down there. And it is a 4-speed. It's a factory 4-speed car with black bucket seats, console. I said the rally gauges and the 8-track, which is cool. Came like that, and I left it in there. All the wood grain on the dash is excellent. I mean, there's a little chip right there on the black, but the dash as a whole is nice. All the carpet's super nice. can see that it's not really faded there. I know the sun's hitting it, but back seat's nice as well. Again, another thing, doesn't really look like it was satin too much in the back. I'm looking at the headliner right now. No rips, no poked holes. And the vinyl top's nice too. I mean, probably done at the time of the repaint. And as you can tell, it's a really nice repaint. Nice back glass window. No holes in this, no rips on that. Just to show the body real quick. And you can see that mirror reflection in the paint. Looks like a little scuff right there. And then you see here there looks like a bigger touch-up. Looks like something rubbed because I see a mark on this piece of trim, like something rubbed up that way. Nicely optioned car though. Bumper's about the same as the front. And a couple little marks and 2 touch-ups right there. And trunk pan's real nice. I got the jack, tire iron, spare tire, mat, and the air cleaner. That's in the trunk. I got a picture of that on the ad. Top of the trunk's real nice. Little crack in the paint, and then a little, not a rust bubble, but a little bubble in the paint. Again, that lower molding down there, real nice condition. Power antenna. This is my first GTO. A lot of firsts lately. Mustangs, GTO. Cool stuff. Like them all. It's a collection to me. So like I said, it's a 67 Pontiac GTO. Freshly built 426, 376 horsepower. Is that really it? Such a weird horsepower. Mine today's do 375, 380. Yeah, 376. 428. 428. I'm a dumbass. 428, 376 horsepower. If I did say 426 before, I'll correct myself. So by now you already know I'm stupid. Oh, and the wood grain on the console's nice too. Power antenna, Posi rear, power steering, power front disc brakes, 4-speed. Will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you are interested, go on and check it out. If you're here from eBay, thanks for coming and checking it out. And if you're here from YouTube, thanks for checking it out. If you are interested, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Looks like a little area of bubbles right here, like a couple small faint bubbles. I'm not sure. They're not rust. I'm not sure what happened. Just right, a few in that area. And actually, a few more right there. If you can see that. So, We're going to fire it up now and then we'll drive it. So again, thanks for watching, and here we go. So here we go. Here's the 428, 376 horsepower, the 67 date code correct motor. We're going to fire it up right now. And another thing I did forget, it's got excellent MagnaFlow exhaust, a brand new system on it. You'll see that in the picture of the undercarriage, like, real nice job they did.